Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2020 BMW M550i xDrive sedan. This is finished in Alpine white. Got 20-inch M double spoke wheels. I'll make note of the front bumper. Had holes from a previous license plate frame. There's one small blemish on the hood right there. Looks like it's been touched up prior. Up here at the driver front wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches, no damage. Obviously just a little bit of wet. Starting to get a little bit of snow. There's no dents on any of the body panels. And back here to the driver rear wheel, pretty good shape. There's a little bit of curb rash there, top of the lip, as well as a little more there. There's a very small mark on the back bumper here. And back here at the passenger rear wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches at all. And finally up here at the passenger front, again, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. This has just over 19,500 miles on the odometer. Take it to the inside. We have a black leather interior. Well, I guess it's got to be unlocked first, pardon me. Got Harman Kardon sound system. Nice off gray piping. We'll take you up here to the business section. Up here at the driver's side, you've got driver memory settings, power windows, power mirrors. Function steering wheel. This is equipped with the Driving Assistance Plus package. And current mileage there, 19,660. Sorry if I'm a little shaky, it is freezing outside. If you have any questions, give us a call here, 614-793-1050. Feel free to check this out on our website at autoassets.com.